Hey everyone, and welcome back to Better Self Daily. I'm your host, Adrian Wicks. We're diving into the second episode of our new 10-part series, Might Mornings. Last time, we touched upon why mornings are, super important. And today, we're really going to dig into how to optimize those crucial first 90 minutes after you wake up to set yourself up for a truly successful day. You know, it's kind of wild, but those first 90 minutes post-waking, they're a critical window that can actually make or break your entire day. Think of it as your morning energy window. We're talking about transforming what might feel like scattered morning activities into a synchronized energy optimization system that really aligns with your body's natural rhythms. And this isn't just some feel-good stuff. It's based on proven scientific principles. For example, your cortisol levels naturally peak, typically 30 to 45 minutes after waking. Your brain, it experiences heightened neuroplasticity, so it's super receptive. And your body's metabolic processes are primed for nutrient absorption, literally preparing for activity. So yeah, it's a big deal. So why is that 90-minute window so, incredibly important? Well, it literally sets your circadian rhythm for the entire day. Hormonal cascades get established, influencing your energy patterns, and neural pathways are especially receptive to programming. And here's a big one. Habits formed during this period tend to, really stick, like glue. And that's where our 4-phase energy management system comes in, giving you this amazing blueprint. First up, you've got awakening, those initial 5 to 10 minutes. This is about a gentle transition, like keeping your eyes closed for a bit, taking deep breaths, and immediate hydration. Think 16 ounces of room temperature water. Then we move into activation, which is about 10 to 30 minutes of physical awakening. This means light stretching, maybe some neck rolls, or even gentle jumping jacks. Plus, there's environment optimization. Opening curtains for natural light or stepping outside for a couple of minutes if you can. Third is nourishment, typically 30 to 60 minutes in, focusing on strategic nutrition, a protein-rich smoothie, some complex carbs, healthy fats. And finally, mental activation from 60 to 90 minutes, which is your cognitive warm-up. This could be light reading, gratitude journaling, or, planning your day. The key here, really, is consistency over perfection. Small improvements, they kind of compound over time into significant results. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Adrian, 90 minutes? I barely have time to, brush my teeth and grab a coffee. And yeah, time constraints are a real thing for so many of us. But this blueprint, it's actually flexible. You can compress the routine to 45 minutes by, say, shortening your movement sequence or simplifying meal prep. Or if you're really pressed, you can focus on just the essential elements in 30 minutes. Basic hydration, minimal movement, quick fuel, and brief planning. It's about starting somewhere, For instance, immediate steps could be just setting a consistent wake-up time for the next 7 days. That's a big one. Preparing your morning essentials tonight, and maybe setting up a simple tracking system for your energy levels. And then, over the next 30 days, you progressively build, regularly assess, adjust, and develop those habit stacks. It's not about achieving perfection on day one. It's really about patience, persistence, and gradually adapting this framework to what works best for your time's unique circumstances. Think about optimizing your sleep environment, having a consistent first activity, or even, avoiding coffee for the first hour. These are simple anchors that can make a huge difference in stabilizing your routine. So there you have it. A quick dive into optimizing your first 90 minutes for a mightier morning. Remember, your future self is going to thank you for investing in this optimized energy management. It's all about laying down that solid foundation. Next time on Might Mornings, we'll be exploring another crucial aspect of building a powerful start to your day. Until then, keep working on those better selves, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for listening to Better Self Daily.